If you're a student, and you're always broke, you're not the problem. You're just using the wrong tools. Right now, there are free AI tools that can literally help you manage your money better. Some of them feel like having a personal financial advisor. For free, and in the next few minutes. I'll show you 5 of them. Look at this. In less than 10 seconds. This AI created a full budget plan for a student earning $300 a month. No stress. No confusion. No calculations. Next is Gemini. This one is perfect if you don't really understand money yet. You can ask something simple like, how do I save money as a student? And it explains it in a way that actually makes sense. No big grammar. No confusing terms. Just clear advice. It's basically like having someone you can ask money questions anytime you want, for free. The third tool is Perplexity. Now this one is a bit different. Instead of just giving answers, it shows you where the information is coming from. So if you search, best ways to save money as a Nigerian student, you actually see real sources. That makes it more trustworthy. So before you make any serious money decision, this is the tool you should use. Next is Copilot. This one is powerful for tracking your money. You can use it inside Excel to organize your expenses. So instead of guessing where your money goes, you actually see it, every naira, clearly, and once you can see it, you can control it. The last one is, this one is very good at thinking. You can paste your spending list and ask, where am I wasting money? And it will break it down for you. Not just numbers, but real advice you can understand. This one feels less like a tool and more like a thinking partner. So, those are 5 free AI tools. ChatGPT for budgeting, Gemini for advice, Perplexity for research, Copilot for tracking, and Claude for analysis. If you're just starting, go with ChatGPT first. It's the easiest. Now I want to ask you something. Which one are you actually going to try first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want more simple AI tools like this, subscribe. I post every 2 weeks. No fluff. Just value.